Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable subcategory on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on configuration. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on subcategory, just click on it. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on off. So then here subcategory, it's disabled with us now here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.